Welcome to the Raptor News channel. A major attack was launched on the area where Hamas's last fuel reserves are located. As a result of this attack, it is planned to temporarily halt the generators used by Hamas forces. The reason for targeting the fuel supply to the generators is Israel's desire to leave the tunnels known as the Gaza Metro in darkness. Before initiating a major operation in the Gaza Strip, the Netanyahu administration is attempting to eliminate the tunnels that pose the greatest threat. Therefore, the Israeli Navy launched a major attack on the area where the port warehouses are located, in the southwest of Gaza, bordering Egypt. Warships approaching the coast, Han Yunus and Rafah, carried out a powerful assault on the warehouses along the shoreline. During the attack, Hamas forces retaliated against the warships. However, the warships were positioned well beyond the range of Hamas forces, and as a result, they managed to destroy the warehouses in the area. Nevertheless, Hamas forces utilized kamikaze drones against the warships. This led to the activation of the air defense systems on the warships. The Israeli Air Force actually flew a Gulfstream G-550 AWACS aircraft throughout the day, providing surveillance and reconnaissance intelligence over the sea in the northwest of Gaza. After gathering real-time intelligence from unmanned aerial vehicles in the region, this aircraft returned to its base following a lengthy 3-hour reconnaissance operation. As a result of these reconnaissance missions, the Israeli Air Force initially targeted the Navy and fuel depots from the air. Subsequently, a command center in the Rafah refugee camp area was also targeted. It was revealed that this targeted location served as a point of constant communication between Hamas forces and Egyptian units, as well as a conduit for transporting ammunition and equipment from the northeastern regions of Egypt. In other words, independently of Egypt, Hamas forces had stockpiled a significant amount of ammunition in the tunnels in the immediate west of Gaza. In response to this situation, the Israeli Air Force first destroyed the communications center and then conducted 2 bombings in the open areas north of the border crossing. The reason for the bombings in the open area was not to destroy the tunnels completely, and it remains uncertain whether the tunnels were entirely eliminated. However, aid trucks at the border crossing returned following the bombings. Consequently, the aid sent by the Egyptian government to the region was completely cut off. Following these attacks, the Israeli Air Force called for the evacuation of the area after determining the presence of ammunition and equipment on cargo ships in the port area of Gaza. Once the port area was completely evacuated, Israeli fighter jets targeted the cargo ships identified in the area. It is reported that cargo ships were used by the Iran-backed Hezbollah terrorist organization to supply Hamas forces with missiles and necessary equipment. While this cannot be fully confirmed, the Israeli military began directly targeting the warehouses where the cargo ships believed to be a threat were unloading their cargo. As a result of the explosions in the warehouses, the region experienced significant blasts. The exact cause of these explosions is not known. However, Israeli intelligence had made a significant discovery. A person known as the spokesperson for Hamas forces lost his life in an airstrike conducted in the northern part of Gaza. This attack indicates that Israeli intelligence initiated a comprehensive cleansing operation against Hamas forces.